Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to add a friend on Discord. So let's get started. What you want to do is go to a Discord server and find somebody that you want to add. Now what you want to do is right click on them and click on profile. And now you will see this option, send friend request. Now you can also do this the other way. For example, maybe you can't find them on Discord like this, you're not in the same server or something. And what you want to do then is go to your direct messages, to your friends, and you want to go to add friend. And now when you're here, you want to get your friend's name and their Discord ID. So what you want to do is type that right here. You want to be careful on capital letters and everything like that. And when you do that, if you have done that correctly, you'll send them their friend request. Your ID is, well, you can see mine right here. And it's pretty much a 4-digit number with a hashtag. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. And if you have any questions, ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe.